to track down his man.
The bounty hunter arrives and is sticking out the address.
It looks like this contractor's scamming days are done.
Buddy and Piper have taken over my couch. They've turned it into their personal wrestling ring.
So I'm really excited.
Tired now? You tired?
But for now, she's gonna have to wait for her money.
You tired, buddy?
I forgot 5 years. I wish we had gotten more. The district attorney's office was really impressed with all the sleuthing.
Okay, dig a hole.
To the point where they offered me a job. This bogus contractor messed with the wrong girl.
You got that right.
Oh, round two.
Michelle did take them up on the job offer, but after saving some more cash, she did renovate her condo, and she got a brand new boyfriend. Now that's how karma constructs a happy ending.
ID wants to know how many marshmallows are on the stick. Are we watching? The answer is about to be revealed. If you saw two, you're an eyewitness. Brought to you by the maker of
They've been told they're not supposed to play on the couch, but I guess they don't understand. Oh, maybe they do. Look, they got off the couch. Oh, there they go. Hey! It's kind of a tight space to be playing in. Somebody's going to get hurt.
DHA and essential nutrients also found in mother's milk. Purina puppy diabetes is tough.
Hey, no need to be loud.
I always have time to eat like I should. That's why I like these sort of shakes.
Don't you tear up them pads. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, little girl. Yeah, you see me looking at you. See me, don't you? Yeah. Little girl. Little girl. Little girl. Little girls. You see me looking at you? Hi, buddy. You guys tired? You tired? Look at that smile. Look at Buddy smiling. Buddy got a great big smile on his face. Oh, look at that. He's tired puppy. He's tired from playing. You tired from playing? Oh, there she goes.
What do you mean homeowners insurance doesn't cover floods?
There he is.
A few inches of water caused all this.
Hi, buddy.
But I don't even live near the water.
What you don't know
Hi, Piper.
insurance may shock you, including the
Hi, Piper.
preferred risk policy starts
Hi. How you doing?
$9 a year. For an agent, call 188-RAIN-923. People come to me with questions.
Makes me not sound unfair.
My job is to get them answers.
Piper, you gonna make him tired.
I ain't covered the truth. There's definitely some kind of shit.
I think he's ready to rest.
And I'm damn good at it. My only question is, are you sure you want to know? Stepping in and then expose everything.